Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Shadow's Master Fishing. Today it's a little bit particular for me, as I am trying to find a wild snakehead, the dwarf snakehead, and the scientific name of this snakehead is the Channa Gachua. It's pretty rare to find. You have to go to remote areas and mountainous places to find that particular snakehead that lives in small streams like that one. And I found a couple of snakeheads here, but I didn't brown my camera, so I just want to show you this very beautiful fish that a few people have seen actually. There are a few people who are keeping it as a pet fish, like they keep it in an aquarium. And yeah, so that's the place actually. It's a small dam on a stream, and there are plenty of snakeheads here, I hope, and see how it goes. That's the area. It's a very tiny snakehead, a very beautiful one. So this is the Channa Gachua. You can see the dorsal fin. The upper part of the dorsal fin is orange, and that fish can grow up about 30 centimeters, I think, for the biggest specimen. That one is what 10-12 centimeters. It's a very small one, but very lovely fish. Very nice fish. There is another one here. I just got the lip. I have to wait for the fish to swallow. The second one, another Channa. This one a little bit bigger than the previous one. Second fish, Channa Gachua. Pretty rare fish to find, pretty rare snakehead. You can see the dorsal fin. The upper part is orange, and the overall body is like brown and green. It looks like a tiny snakehead, dwarf snakehead as we call here. Single hook, pork. I have a 10-gram weight, and that's all basically. That's all you need. Get my fork. Pretty small. I would like to show you a bigger one, but tiny one. Holy. Another one. Channa Gachua, the fourth of the day. Very nice pattern on that one. So I have one there. He's biting my... It's very small. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but I can see it. The water is very shallow. Just there, he's biting it. Okay, we set the hook. Hopefully. See? Oh, this one is much darker. I don't know if you can see. This one is much darker.